With just a few clicks, you can create high-quality, on-brand content for blogs, social media, emails, and more, all with Blaze AI. Hello everyone, I'm Thomas, and today we're reviewing Blaze AI, an all-in-one AI content creation platform designed to help marketers, creators, and teams produce professional content quickly and consistently. Whether you need blog posts, social media updates, or email newsletters, Blaze AI automates your workflow while keeping your brand voice intact. This video is split into timestamps, so feel free to skip ahead if you want to jump to a specific part. What is Blaze AI? Blaze AI is a comprehensive AI-powered content creation tool that generates a wide variety of content types, from SEO-optimized blog posts and landing pages to social media captions and ads. It also offers brand voice customization, multi-channel scheduling, SEO analysis, and content repurposing features, making it a versatile solution for businesses of all sizes. Price. Creator plan, starting at around $22 per month, includes 1 member, 3 brand voices, 300,000 AI words per month, and 10 plagiarism scans. Team plan, around $47 per month, supports 3 members, 10 brand voices, unlimited AI words, and 50 plagiarism scans. Enterprise, custom pricing for larger teams with advanced features like SSO, SCIM, dedicated managers, and multiple workspaces. A 7-day free trial is available to test the platform before committing.